Welcome to Plan Watch Walk, the home of great walking and open and honest equipment reviews. 2024 has been a great year for Plan Watch Walk and its development. The resources and the channel has only been up and running for about 2.5 years. And in that 2.5 years we've grown pretty quickly, to be perfectly honest, and that's mainly thanks to every single one of you, so thank you for that. We've got 1,360 subscribers, 160 videos have been released, and 1,112,000 views. I would never have thought that it would ever have got to that stage when we first started up. I would have thought if we'd got 100 or 200 subscribers, we would have been doing fantastically well. So that's thanks to every one of you for supporting the channel and getting us to where we've got to. So thank you ever so much for that. 2024 has been reasonably busy. There's been 50 videos released during the year. There's been 15 walk videos, 14 fly-throughs, 21 equipment reviews to choose from to get to today, and that's across 10 separate brands. So thank you to those brands as well for trusting in Plan Watch Walk. Don't forget, there's a fantastic amount of resources available on the website, which is planwatchwalk.guide, and also obviously on the YouTube channel which you're watching now. Today we're going to look at 5 of my personal favourites of the equipment reviews I've undertaken. It's not necessarily the ones that have got the highest reviews. That's the ones that I've found have been the best bit of equipment of the ones that I've released. So before we get any further, let's start to have a look at what these bits of equipment are. So coming in at number 5 is the Scarpa Rush TRK GTX, and we undertook a 700-mile review of this bit of equipment. As we do with all of our reviews, we look at the field trials, of which are always extensive across many different terrains, conditions, etc. We'll have a look at the features, the ratings, and the overall conclusion why I think it's at number 5. So the Scarpa boots, they were my go-to boots for a good couple of years, and they never gave me any issues at all. The particular pieces I liked on the boots themselves was the lacing system was particularly good. The Gore-Tex, the linings and everything never gave up, and the soles which you use, which is the presser, was very, very good. The overall rating, as you can see here, it comes out pretty high across everything, but the wear, the grip, the support and everything was very, very good. So overall, the boots themselves, they never let me down in any conditions, and they were very, very good. So that's why they come in at number 5. Coming in at number 4 is the Mountane Anti-Freeze jacket, the XT Packable hoodie, which is the one I have on today. The reason I've got it on, because it's January, it's cold, and it works. So again, we took this out in the field across many, many different conditions, across the field trials and everything. Again, what I particularly like is the versatility of it. It can be used as a walking jacket itself, but also what I found it most useful for was when you're doing stops and everything. I found it too hot when I was walking, but if you stop and take a break, they're really, really good. The cut, the features of the jacket, and the overall fit and feel of the jacket is exceptionally good. It really is a jacket of which supports you not only within walking itself, but also when you stop and after walks and everything. If it gets cold, I'm sure you know, when you get up on top and you take a break for 5 minutes, your body temperature quickly drops off in the winter periods. This is brilliant. Slip this on really quickly, back in the stuff sack afterwards, and away you go. So again, if we have a look at the ratings of this, comes out very, very high across all of the ratings. So many bits of equipment do these days. So if you need something which is for below zero, for day trekking and all the conditions I've just mentioned, you're not going to go too far wrong in choosing this Mountane jacket. Coming in at number 3, which is a not particularly well-known shoe, I would say, inside the sector, is the Dolomite Nibelia shoe. Now, I've chosen this for many reasons, and again this has been trialled all over the place, but it's so versatile, very light, easy to get your feet into and out of. The lacing system is excellent. What I found is that yep, you can use it out on the trails. Obviously it's a walking shoe, so it doesn't give your ankle a huge amount of support, which shoes don't, but the versatility of it, and for after walking as well, to slip in when you come down off the fells and you want to take your boots off. Very light if you want to pack it away in your backpack or take them away traveling with you. I also liked the fit around the ankle, and there's a fillet in the back of the shoe which keeps your shoe snug in the shoe as well, in the grip. So yet again, if we have a look at the rating across here, all very high on the ratings, but they really did work particularly well. So if you're in the market for, which is ultimately a very stylish shoe as well, and comfortable, can handle any diverse situations, but also is great for after walking for, you know, civvy street from a day-to-day activities. They are a really good shoe. Coming in at number 2 is the Helly Hansen men's crew jacket. Now this might be a surprise for a few people, because it's not a hardcore, or maybe it's not deemed as a hardcore walking bit of equipment. But Helly Hansen, the equipment, there was 3 reviews I did in the Helly Hansen series, so if you want to have a look at those, there was boots and trousers as well, which were equally good. But the jacket themselves, and all of them, as soon as you get them, you can feel the quality of the product. What I particularly liked about this jacket was it was a bit of a hybrid jacket between the outer shell, of which was waterproof, showerproof and everything, and that worked particularly well, but it had a very thin fleecy membrane to it as well, sitting inside there, and that hybrid between the two I found fantastically useful. Again, where this jacket works particularly well is on the fit and the feel. It keeps you warm, but it doesn't keep you hugely hot, so the breathability was particularly good in the jacket here. And also the where you could wear it as well. Yeah, you can wear it in the field, but it's very useful for civvy wear as well, for getting out and about. So the amount of wear that you get from the jacket, mixed with the fit and the comfort and the style, it has been an exceptionally useful and very high performing jacket. So that just leaves the number 1 slot. So the number 1 slot, bit of a drum roll, goes to the Rohan Ventus waterproof hiking jacket. What a jacket this has been. I've been out in it in severe conditions, driving rain. I did a 20-mile walk in basically driving rain, and it never gave up the whole time. The fit works particularly well, the quality of product is exceptionally good. It's a 3-layer barricade standard waterproof technology. It's got coatings on it. The zips work well. Overall, it is a exceptionally good jacket. We've got the overall rating against here, and again with all of these products it's so hard to choose between them and the top 5. The performance is exceptionally good. This really is, it's a top tier jacket and a choice for anyone who needs reliable waterproof protection. It's lightweight, it's breathable, it's packable. Whatever season you're out, be it summer and it's windy on top, or being in winter, to say I've used it in driving snow as well, so it really has been an exceptionally good jacket that sits around inside here. So below, all the links to each of those reviews if you want to have a look at any of them in particular. I've also added in the best deals that I can find on the marketplace as well for you. If you click on any of those and buy a product, we'll get a small kickback, which helps us keep going, and it doesn't affect anything that you pay. That comes straight from the manufacturers. So if you like what we do, it'd be great if you subscribe. Any comments, fantastic. Thumbs up, equally as good. Once again, thank everyone out there for your support during 2024. I'm most definitely looking forward to 2025. I know I've got a good few things planned, and I'm going to be working with a number of the same manufacturers, but also bringing in some more manufacturers and some more brands in to be tested. So lots to look forward to on Plan Watch Walk. So once again, ever so thankful for all of your support, and until the next time we meet, bye for now.